Now today is the unboxing review of Akibento July month box, since the 7th month box is today, and the theme of this month is bonds, like creating a romantic bond between couples, creating a bond between friends, or creating a strong bond with team. And the anime series that match the themes are Haikyuu, Ancient Magnus Bride, and Kami-sama Kiss. So here's the unboxing. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see. First up is the shirt. Wow, I really love this green color. And look at this. You can tell by the design of a character creating a bond with a spirit. And here we have a plushie, and over here, oops, sorry, is the bonds button. We can see that two hands creating a bond, and right here is the exclusive Haikyuu tumbler right here, as we see the characters from inside. Gonna make sure to wash it off. And in here we have a Akibento exclusive beach ball right here. And right here we have the Ancient Magnus Bride necklace set right here. And the Kami-sama Kiss sticker set right here. All the characters. And also the bonds card, as we can see inside, the information of the items we have, plus the selfie contest. Good. And I'm really excited about this one. It really actually have friendship with this box. I'm really enjoying this month box because it really is important to keep a bond between friends, couples, and teams together. And next month is August, and the theme of that month is going to be sprint, like exercising, running, or actually running to compete in the Olympics. And the theme of and the anime series that match the themes are My Hero Academia, Dragon Ball, and Seven Deadly Sins. So yeah, I cannot wait for Sprint to actually appear, like the name actually applies. So yeah, I cannot wait for August to come. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment on what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until then, this is Anime Guy Jordan here saying sign out. Laters.